Hi friends, my name is Vinay. I am a Dubai property advisor. Today I am going to show you Bingati East and Bingati West. This property is located at Dubai Land Residential Complex. This is on the intersection of Alain Road and Emirates Road. So you can see this is your Alain Road and that side is your Emirates Road. So now you can see the property, the building behind me is Bingati East and that's the Bingati West. This both the towers, if I talk about, it's a low-rise building. Let's go inside to check out the apartments. Please come. So you can see it's a grand entrance, beautiful entrance at the Bingati East. The lobby, check out the lobby, it's beautiful. Let's go upstairs. So this is a one-bedroom apartment over here in Bingati East. It's royal suite and this one bedroom is converted into two bedroom. Let's go inside and check it out. So once you enter, you have a space, lounge space. You can also use it for the dining purpose. You have a closed kitchen over here. There's a slider, you can close the kitchen down. Check out the kitchen, it's beautifully designed. Refrigerator, space for everything. By the way, these apartments are fully furnished. Right opposite to the kitchen, there is a laundry room. You have instead of a powder room, you have a complete washroom over here. Since this one bedroom convertible into two bedroom, this is the living area. Check out the big living area. I'll show you one magic. Just stay with me. That's the space for the bed. And also you have a balcony attached to it. Let's go to the master bedroom. This is a master bedroom over here. Comes with complete washroom. There's a wardrobe over here. The bedroom is bed is here, and also you have a balcony. Guys, let me brief you about this particular apartment. So if I talk about this particular apartment, this is a one bedroom apartment which is convertible into two bedroom. This apartment has a closed kitchen, then you have a laundry room separate, you have two proper washrooms, complete washroom. If I talk about living area, it can be converted into the bedroom. And both the rooms, living room and the master bedroom, comes with the attached balcony. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this apartment. To get more details about it, please contact me anytime. The details is in description, and please like, share and subscribe my channel so that I can make more videos for you. Thank you so much.